more than 1,200 tornadoes every single year, more than any other country on Earth. This is America's unique burden. More tornadoes than Canada, more than Australia, more than every country in Europe combined. Texas alone averages 140 tornadoes yearly, more than any single state in the country. The average U.S. tornado season claims 73 lives, a number that, despite better warnings, hasn't dropped as expected. Why does America produce more tornadoes than the rest of the world combined? The answer lies in geography. Warm, moist air rises from the Gulf of Mexico. Cool, dry air descends from the Rocky Mountains. Two opposing forces, about to collide. No other place on Earth has this combination. Warm ocean water to the south, a mountain range running north to south to the west. This creates the exact ingredients a supercell needs. Warm, moist air near the ground. Cool, dry air high above.
Warm, moist air near the ground. Cool, dry air high above.
Add wind shear, winds that change speed and direction with height. The final ingredient. The recipe is complete. A supercell begins to rotate. If it survives long enough, a tornado is born.
If it survives to die, a tornado is born.
The supercell, a rotating thunderstorm. Unlike any ordinary storm, this one can survive for hours, fueling itself, growing stronger. Inside, a rotating updraft, called a mesocyclone, begins to tighten, spinning faster, descending lower. A funnel begins to extend downward, not yet touching the ground, not yet a tornado. The moment it touches the ground, everything changes. This is when the danger becomes real. The storm has become a tornado. What happens next determines how many people survive. The Enhanced Fujita Scale rates tornado intensity from EF0, light damage, to EF5, total devastation over 200 miles per hour. The Tri-State Tornado of 1925. Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, 695 deaths. The deadliest tornado ever recorded. Joplin, Missouri, 2011. 158 deaths. One of the deadliest tornadoes of the modern warning era. Only one of the 10 deadliest tornadoes in history struck within classic Tornado Alley. The rest struck elsewhere.
Only one of the 10 deadliest tornado locations occurred within the classic Tornado Alley boundaries.
The deadliest tornadoes don't always strike where expected. This changes everything about how we prepare.
But analyzing the data reveals a surprising pattern. Of the 10 deadliest tornado alone actually falls within
March 25th, 1948. Tinker Air Force Base, Oklahoma. Two meteorologists issued the first official tornado forecast in history. Their forecast was verified. Another tornado struck the base. Exactly as predicted. Tornado forecasting was born. Decades later, Doppler radar, a technology that could finally see rotation inside a storm before it touched ground. Mobile phone alerts followed. Warning lead time improved dramatically. But fatalities haven't dropped as fast as hoped. Why? The answer involves a surprising discovery about where tornadoes are actually forming today. In 2018, a landmark study. Meteorologists analyzed nearly 40 years of tornado data. What they found? Tornado Alley is moving.
Shifting significantly eastward, redefining the traditional boundaries of Tornado Alley.
Classic Alley, Texas, Oklahoma, Colorado, is declining. The Mid-South is rising. The center has shifted 400 miles east. Why does this matter? The Mid-South has more mobile homes, more nighttime tornadoes, more trees blocking visibility. The shift may be increasing real-world risk, even as it reduces frequency in the classic region. Understanding this shift is now central to how meteorologists warn the public. Why does America get 1,200 tornadoes a year? Because of geography no other nation shares.
Part 7. The truth. Geography no other nation shares.
This isn't going to change. The Gulf, the Rockies, this collision will continue forever. This investigation is educational. All facts verified through institutional public sources.
It sounds intense out there, but we are prepared.
Let's review the alert methods in the pamphlet. Why do we need the first aid kit?
Know your risk. Understand your region. A warning is only useful if you know what to do when it sounds. Real research, cinematic truth. If this investigation informed your view, subscribe. Join the RSK Empire.